Hello. The problem we are discussing is a very illustrative problem. It does not have any values nor any definitions, but it is a complete problem on its own. We have two figures A and B, and the question is it a woofer or a tweeter? Now, this is for the musically inclined people who in our audience. So, what is a woofer? Right? As the sound says, it is woof, meaning you will hear a lot of low frequency output, right? Typically you will see the bass frequencies being enhanced, right? Then what is a tweeter? As the name says, tweet, where you have all the high frequencies coming out, or the high frequencies being emphasized by the filter. Now we have two filters here. Right? Right. Now let us find out, for a woofer, what is the kind of frequency output that you would want to see? You would want to see the low frequency output getting passed. Okay, so the low frequency and DC getting passed, and the rest one should be attenuated or filtered out. So this is a low pass filter. In a tweeter, you want the high frequency signals to be present and all the low frequencies to be filtered out. So this is your high pass filter. Now to find out which is what, now let us apply our knowledge. Let us go to the more intuitive one, very simple and easy. There is a capacitor here to the signal that is applied. We all know that the capacitor blocks DC signal and low frequency signal. So this is a characteristics of a high pass filter. Now since this is a high pass filter, you have this to be tweeter. Right. On the other case, we find that the inductor allows low frequency to pass but filters out the high frequency. So this one allows DC and low frequency to pass. So this is your woofer. So this is a great example for music applications, specifically in speaker design. Thank you.